Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Swansea Point, a peaceful lakeside community in British Columbia, nestled along the beautiful shores of Mara Lake. This scenic spot is known for its crystal clear waters and forested surroundings. Swansea Point sits just south of Sycamus, making it a perfect getaway for those who love boating, fishing, and relaxing by the water. The area began to develop in the early 1900s as people were drawn to its natural beauty and calm setting. It's said that Swansea Point got its name from the town of Swansea in Wales. Over time, it grew into a charming recreational area, attracting visitors year-round. Whether you're here for a quiet lakeside retreat or a day of outdoor adventure, Swansea Point offers a perfect slice of British Columbia's beauty. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Swansea Point, British Columbia. Thanks for watching!